I see him every Tuesday at the coffee shop. He sits by the window with his laptop. He drinks black coffee and reads thick books. He looks smart and kind. I want to talk to him, but I am too shy. Today is different. Today I am going to be brave. I walk to his table. My heart beats fast. My hands are shaking. "Excuse me," I say. "Can I sit here? All the other tables are full." He looks up and smiles. His eyes are brown and warm.
Of course.
He says.
Please sit down.
I sit across from him. I can smell his coffee. His book is on the table. The cover shows a dark castle. "I'm Lily," I say.
Nice to meet you, Lily. I'm Marcus.
I look at his book again. Is that a good book? Marcus's face lights up.
It's amazing. It's about a girl who finds a magic door in her house. Have you read fantasy books?
I love them, I say. I just read a story about dragons and wizards. We start talking, and it feels easy. We like the same kinds of stories. We talk for 2 hours. I can't believe how natural it feels.
I have to go.
Marcus says finally.
But this was really nice.
Yes, I say. It was.
Maybe we can meet again next Tuesday.
He asks. My heart jumps. I would love that. The next Tuesday, I get to the coffee shop early. I wear my best jeans and my favorite shirt. I brush my hair carefully. Marcus arrives at the same time as last week. He sees me and smiles big.
Lily, I was hoping you would be here.
We sit at the same table.
I brought something for you.
Marcus says. He pulls out a book.
I think you'll love this story. The book is about a girl who can talk to animals.
I touch the cover carefully. Thank you, I say. This looks wonderful. We talk more. We laugh. We enjoy the same things, and the time flies. Soon, Tuesdays at the coffee shop become our routine. Every week, we meet, talk, and share new stories. After a month, I know Marcus likes me. The way he looks at me is different now. The way he says my name is soft and sweet. When our hands touch by accident, he doesn't move away. One Tuesday, Marcus looks nervous. Is everything okay? I ask.
I need to tell you something,
He says.
but I don't know how.
My heart starts beating fast. Maybe he's going to tell me he loves me. You can tell me anything, I say. Marcus takes a deep breath.
Lily, I think I'm falling in love with you.
I can't breathe. The words I wanted to hear so much are finally here. I'm falling in love with you too, I whisper. Marcus reaches across the table and takes my hand. His hand is warm and strong,
I want to ask you something.
he says.
Would you like to have dinner with me? Like a real date?
Yes, I say. I would love that. We plan to meet on Friday night. I am so happy I want to dance. Marcus likes me. Marcus wants to date me. Friday comes. Our date is perfect. We go to dinner and talk for hours. After dinner, we walk in the park. Marcus holds my hand. Under the stars, he kisses me for the first time. We start dating. For 2 weeks, I am the happiest girl in the world. We see each other every day. Monday is the first day of the new school year. I sit in my class with my friends. I can't stop smiling. I tell them about my new boyfriend, Marcus, how kind and funny he is, and how well we get along. I'm so excited talking about him. My friends listen and smile. They are happy for me. They say I look different. They say I look like I'm in love. We wait for the teacher to come. I'm thinking about Marcus. I'm thinking about seeing him tonight. I'm so happy. The door opens. My heart stops. My face goes pale. Marcus walks into the classroom. He's wearing a shirt and tie. He's carrying books and papers. He looks professional and serious.
Good morning, class.
Marcus says. He doesn't see me yet.
I'm Mr. Chen. I'll be your history teacher this year.
Then his eyes find me. His face goes white. His books almost fall from his hands. He looks shocked and scared. I can't move. I can't breathe. I can't think. Marcus is my teacher. The man I love is my history teacher. Teachers and students can't be together. It's against the rules. If anyone finds out about us, Marcus will get fired. Now, our love is against the rules. Sarah whispers to me.
Are you okay? You look sick.
I can't answer. I'm staring at Marcus. He keeps teaching, but his hands shake. His voice sounds strange. The class feels like it lasts forever. When the bell rings, everyone gets up to leave. Marcus and I don't talk after class. We can't. We both know what this means. We ended it. We had to. In class, we were strangers, polite, quiet, careful. But when our eyes met, I still saw it, the story we couldn't finish. I stopped going to the coffee shop for a while. It hurt too much. Then, one Tuesday, the barista handed me a package.
A man left this for you.
She said. Inside was a book. Thick, dark cover, full of magic and longing. Tucked inside was a note. For Lily, a story that reminded me of us. If you're still reading, maybe you'll wait for me, Marcus. That was the last I heard from him. Time passed. The school year ended. I finished school. I didn't expect anything, but still, I went back to the coffee shop. One last Tuesday, just to see. And there he was. Same window, same coffee, same smile when he saw me.
Lily.
He said, standing up slowly. I couldn't speak. I just smiled. I was hoping you'd come. I'm not your student anymore, I said. He nodded, eyes soft.
Then maybe now we can finish our story.
What would you do if you were Lily? Would you wait for him to come back, or would you move on? Tell me your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like and subscribe for more English stories. Lesson of the day. Time flies. This is an idiom. It doesn't mean time has wings. It's just a fun way to say that time goes by very fast. We say this when we feel like time passed quickly, usually because we were enjoying something or were very busy. Example from the story: we talk more, we laugh, we enjoy the same things, and the time flies. More examples. Time flies when you're having fun. I can't believe it's already July. Time flies.